In this video, I'm going to show you the unboxing of UGREEN NAS DXP4800 plus 4-bay NAS. It comes in this box. Here you can see that. The packaging of this NAS is pretty good. Inside we get another box. Here you can see UGREEN NAS DXP4800 plus. The box looks like this. Here you can see the features of this NAS. Without wasting any time, let's open the NAS from the box. Let's open the seal. Once you open the box, you will find the NAS, and also you will get the accessories with this NAS. This is the box. Let's keep the box aside. And here is the main unit, that is the NAS. It's a small compact 4-bay NAS from UGREEN. Let's open the cover. Here is a magnetic flap which is attached to the back of the NAS. This is how the UGREEN NAS DXP4800 Plus looks. The back side of the NAS looks like this, and you can see the ports. And here is the bottom side. Front of the UGREEN DXP4800 Plus looks like this. For this NAS systems, you need to buy separate NAS hard drives, and this is how the accessories box looks. Once you open the accessories box, inside you will find this user manual on how to use this UGREEN NAS. This is how the booklet looks. Once you open the accessories box, inside you will find a lot of accessories, such as you will get screwdriver and the screws inside. Here is a screwdriver, and also you will get the screws to fix the NAS. You will also receive 2 SSD silicon pads. Here are the silicon pads, and here is the power cable, and you will get 2 LAN cables, and here is a travel adapter and some more accessories. And this is how the front of the UGREEN NAS looks. You need to press the bottom button to open the hard disk bay. Just open the hard disk bay. I have already installed the Seagate Iron Wolf Pro hard disk. Once you insert the hard disk, it looks like this. I have attached the magnetic flap at the back, and once you attach the UGREEN flap, the back looks like this. I have already done the installation and setup of the UGREEN NAS. To access this NAS system, open any browser and you need to type find.ugnas.com. It will automatically find your NAS. Here you can see my NAS system DXP4800 Plus. Just enter the user ID and password and you can access your UGREEN NAS from anywhere around the globe. So that's it, guys. Here is a short unboxing video of UGREEN NAS DXP4800 Plus. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.